When there aren't pre-built steps available, you can just use the recorder to record steps. So you create your test using some of the pre-built steps to get to your point where you want to start recording. So in this case, we log in and launch an app again. And then what we do is create a breakpoint, and we run to that breakpoint. Now at that breakpoint, we can start the recorder. So what we do now is we use the recorder to then go into Salesforce, and it records every action that we use in Salesforce as a step. So in this case, we'll create a new account. And what it does, it records every action as a Salesforce specific step. We'll also fill in a compound field. And you can see on the bottom right as it collects the number of steps as you make each action. Now, after we save that record, we can also validate that record using the Salesforce Recorder. So in this case, we're trying to validate that compound field. If we go back to the editor, we can see all our Salesforce steps that were created via the recorder. We can see here how it's filled in fields using the recorder, and these are specific Salesforce steps. And then lastly, we can look at how we validate fields, and in this case, we can validate the whole compound field. And that completes how we do a recording using the Salesforce Recorder.